I'm going to show you the easiest way to import all your subscribers from Mailchimp. So in order to do that, click on My Account, Account Settings, scroll a bit down, and here you will find special section dedicated for customer import from Mailchimp. So what you need to do, you need to get your Mailchimp API key. How to do that? Go to your Mailchimp account, click over here, click Account, choose Extra, and then API keys. Here you can copy API key from here or create one. I'll click Create, and then you create it. You just simply select it, copy it, come back to your settings, copy paste it over here, and click Import. Now you have to choose a list from Mailchimp, and then click Import. And basically, system in a couple of minutes will import all subscribers from Mailchimp without any worries. Hope it helps, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to ask us. Cheers!